I want to share with you today about using ketamine as a transformational medicine. There's 4 stages that are very important to know when you're using ketamine in this way. The first stage is the preparation. 1 week before your first infusion, we have a set of guidelines that includes things like meditation, eating a healthy diet, getting more sleep, etc. And we'll send that to you. The next step after that is your intention. You want to bring in a very specific intention of why you're doing the ketamine experience and the outcome that you're interested in receiving. The third stage is the ketamine experience itself. While you're having the experience, fully experience it. Sometimes we have that second person voice that's narrating constantly what's going on. Let that go and experience the ketamine infusion. And then the fourth stage is the integration. Integration is probably one of the most important pieces of this because you're going to get insights, awareness, knowledge, and you need to put it into the daily practice of your life. So those are the 4 stages: preparation, intention, experience, and lastly, integration. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for joining me.